Hello everyone, welcome to this series on Fools in the Plays of William Shakespeare. And in this video, we are going to discuss the character of Dogberry from his play Much Ado About Nothing. Introduction. Dogberry, the comically incompetent constable in William Shakespeare's Much Ado About Nothing, is a character whose malapropisms and bumbling actions provide humor and inadvertently lead to the play's resolution. His role as a figure of ridicule highlights the themes of appearance versus reality and the idea that even the most unlikely individuals can bring about justice. This video explores the various dimensions of Dogberry's character, examining his language, his interactions with other characters, and the thematic significance of his actions, supported by relevant quotes from the play. Comedic role and malapropisms. Dogberry is best known for his malapropisms, using incorrect words that sound similar to the ones he intends, often resulting in humorous confusion. His frequent misuse of language makes him a source of comedy and lightens the play's incompetence and bumbling actions. Dogberry's incompetence as a constable is evident in his actions and decisions. Despite his lack of skill and understanding, he inadvertently manages to uncover the truth about Don John's plot against Hero and Claudio, demonstrating that even incompetence can lead to positive outcomes. In Act 4, Scene 1, Dogberry and Verges try to report the arrest of Horatio and Conrad to Leonato. Our watch, sir, have indeed comprehended two auspicious persons, and we would have them this morning examined before your worship. Dogberry's misuse of comprehend instead of apprehend and auspicious instead of suspicious highlights his incompetence while still advancing the plot. Interactions with other characters. Dogberry's interactions with other characters often highlight his lack of awareness and overconfidence. His self-importance and insistence on proper procedure, despite his frequent mistakes, add to the comedic effect. In Act 4, Scene 1, during the interrogation of Horatio and Conrad, Dogberry's over-the-top behavior is evident. "Marry, sir, they have committed false report. Moreover, they have spoken untruths. Secondarily, they are slanders. Sixth and lastly, they have belied a lady. Thirdly, they have verified unjust things. And to conclude, they are lying knaves." Dogberry's convoluted speech and confused numbering system add to the humor and emphasize his incompetence. Thematic significance. Dogberry's character embodies the theme of appearance versus reality. Despite his foolish appearance and actions, he ultimately plays a crucial role in uncovering the truth and bringing the villains to justice. This inversion of expectations highlights the play's comedic nature and the idea that justice can come from unexpected places. In Act 4, Scene 2, Dogberry proudly asserts his importance. "Dost thou not suspect my place? Dost thou not suspect my years? Oh, that he were here to ride me down an ass." This quote underscores Dogberry's misplaced self-assurance, yet it also emphasizes his unexpected role in resolving the central conflict. Conclusion. Dogberry in Much Ado About Nothing is a comically incompetent constable whose malapropisms and bumbling actions provide humor and inadvertently lead to the play's resolution. His character highlights the themes of appearance versus reality and the surprising ways in which justice can be achieved. Through Dogberry, Shakespeare explores the humorous side of human folly and the notion that even the most unlikely individuals can contribute to the greater good. Dogberry's legacy as a source of comic relief and an unexpected hero continues to resonate, showcasing Shakespeare's ability to blend humor with meaningful commentary. So this was the discussion on the character of Dogberry from William Shakespeare's play Much Ado About Nothing. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other character. Until then, goodbye and thank you.